Okay, we are gonna talk about uh, substitution. Substitution, integration by substitution. Okay, so we have here 4x3 x4 minus 2 to the power of 6 dx. See, you gotta choose one of them u and the other one du. See, we gotta use, u du, so we can integrate that one. So, the one with has higher exponent, like here x2 is 4 to the power of x to the power of 4, to use this one as u. So u is equal to x4 minus 2, and du, what is going to be? 4x3 dx. So what we do, we just substitute there. So what is going to be? It's going to be 4x3 before this we are gonna see, we are gonna have something dx, only dx this side and du for x3 the other side. Okay, now we use this here. We can say that u to the power of 6, and then 4x3 here, and then we have what? du 4x3. See, when we have u, we're going to have du, because you want to integrate u, and so what's going to be 4x3 is going to go, and u to the power of 6 du. Now you can, by power rule, what's going to be? U to the 7 over 7 plus c. And then you substitute u, which is x to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 7 divided by 7 plus c. That's the answer. Okay? So we use one of them, u, and so this was u. Actually, this was the easy one, because we choose this one and the u, it was right there, but it's not always that easy. So if we have something like x4 1 minus x5 dx, you want to integrate this one by substitution. You use this one, u is equal to 1 minus x to the power of 4 pi, and du is equal to 4 5x minus, that is minus 5x4 dx, and then dx is going to be du minus 5x4. So we do this, we put this one here. So it is going to be x to the power of 4 radical square root of u dx, and then this is going to be, you can use this one to the x to the power of 4 times u to the power of minus to u to the power of 1 over 2 d du. Okay. So we substitute du here. This is, so what is going to be du over 5x2 minus 5x2 minus x4. This is going to cancels out, and this is going to be minus 1 over 5 u to the power of, when you, this one is going to go to the numerator, it's going to be changed to minus 1 over 2 du. Then you can see what's going to be minus 1 over 5 u minus 1 plus minus 1 over 2 plus 1 is going to be is going to be 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. It's going to be plus c, and this is going to be minus 2 over 5 u, which we can write it as 1 minus x to the power of 5 1 over 2 plus c, and you can write it, or this is the answer. You can change this one of 1 over 2, change it to radical form. Okay. Means you can write it minus 2 over 5 1 minus x to the power of 5 plus c. This is going to be the answer. So you choose one of them as u and the other one as du. See, usually you can find that this is the higher order, because when you use the derivative of this one, it's going to be 5 minus 5 x to the power of 4. So we have x to the power of 4 here. This cancels out, and you will get the answer. Let's see. We do another example. Is 4x2 x3 minus 4 to the power of 5 dx. So what we do, we use Let's write it with the black color. We use u is equal to x3 minus 4, and du is equal to be 3x2 dx, and then when you want to find dx, is going to be du over 3x2, because we divide both by 3x2, and that's going to be like that. So we put it here, we write here 4x2, we use this is u to the power of 5, instead of dx we write du 3x2. 3x2 and x2 is going to go, is going to cancel out, 4 over 3, and then u is going to be u6 divided by 6, as you know with the power rule. Add this one and divide by the whole thing by write it in the denominator, plus c. Okay, and then we have divided by 2 divided by 2 is going to be 3, is going to be 2 over 9. u is x3 minus 4 to the power of 5 plus c. This is going to be the answer. Okay, c's, I'm sorry, is 6, u to the power. Okay, so so we solve, let's solve one more example, and then we go to substitution by part. Use this is x to the power of 4 e to the power of x5. We will learn, we will talk about this e to the power of x to the power of 5. So the x, we gotta use the u as x to the power of 5. Okay, what is it? dE to the power of u is going to be, and du is equal to 5x4 dx, and dx is going to be du by 5x4, and then we put this here. Oh, x4 e to the power of u du, instead of du we write instead of dx we write du 5 over x4, cancels out 1 over 5, and then e the integration of e to the power of u is going to be e to the power of u plus c, and it is going to be 1 over 5 e to the power of x5 plus c. So that is the answer. Now we are gonna use Okay, now let's solve one more example. X2. Okay, what we okay, we are gonna the substitution by part. What we are gonna do is we say u substitution by part. By part. That the last one was by integration by substitution. This is integration by part. So what we do, we say u is equal to 1 plus x4. And du, what's going to be du? We got 4x3 dx. Okay? And then we have, this is u, and this is du, dv. dv actually is going to be, it's going to be u dv is equal u v minus v du. Okay. So what we do here, we say we have to choose, we have to write all v and d, u, dv, du and v. Okay, we have to have all these elements here. So dv is x2. So what is going to be v? x3 over 3, right? Now we have all these elements here. We say u is 1 plus x4 times x3 over 3. Okay, and then minus v du, v what is x over 3 over x to the power of 3 times du, du is 4. Okay, what we do here, dx, du is going to for x, okay? Now it's going to be x3 over 3 plus x7 over 3 minus, and then with the integration of this, okay, this one times this one, this is going to be 4 over 3 x to the power of 6. Okay, this is going to be like this, and then this is going to be 4 over 3 x to the power of 7, 7 plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. Because we first multiply this one, it's going to be x to the power of 6, 4 over 3 times dx, and then okay, substitution by part. I'm sorry, integration by part. So we did the integration by substitution, but this is integration by. Okay, let's solve another example. We have x times x to the power of 3x. Okay. Oh no. Let's see. U v minus. See, one of them is u, but one of them is, this is u, and this is dv. U v let's see. V du. U dv. This is U dv. U dv. U dv. Okay. So this is going to be u, and this is going to be dv. So we are going to write all this here. What it's going to be. U is going to be x. Du is going to be 1 dx. And then dv is going to be e, or 3x. In the integration of the is going to be e3 x to the power. There, you write this one, and then derivative of the exponent is going to be 3. So you have all this, u times v, x times e to the power of 3x over 3 minus integration of v du. v e to the power of 3x, v, and du is times dx. Actually, we don't write it there. So that is going to be the way. So actually, it's going to be 1/3 x e to the power of 3x, and then the integration of this is going to be 1 over 3 the integration of this is going to be e3x to the divided by 3 plus c. So it's going to be 1 over 3x e3x minus 1 over 9 e3x plus c. That's going to be the answer. If you get the derivative of this one, you are going to get this one. And then you can use factor this one, because e to the power of 3 is the common between these two. It's going to be 1 over 3 x over 3 minus 1 over 9 plus c. Okay, this is the integration by part. If you want to get let's do it. Try this one. Oh, we don't have much time. You have to go to one more. And x, okay? U is going to be ln x, and then du is going to be 1 over x dx. V is going to be x dv, 1 dx, and this is x. Okay? Because and then when you do this x and x uv u v minus 1 over x times x dx is going to cancel out, and it's going to x ln x minus x plus c, and that is going to be this one. Okay. Okay, if you want to try this one, x3 ln x, see the answer is it's got to be 1 over 4x to the power of 4 ln minus 116 x to the power of 4 plus c. So you got to do it yourself to see if, but I tell you what is that. U is going to be an x, du is going to be 1 over x dx, v x4 over 4 dv is going to be x3 dx. So you use, this is u, and this is dv. So that's the substitution, integration by substitution. I hope you got the point, and it was